did you get stuck in there?
I'm stuck in the basketball team.
You're stuck in the basketball team?
Yes. Help me.
How did you get in there? Did you zipper yourself in?
Help me. No, a crocodile slipped me in here.
What?
A crocodile slipped me in here.
Did Olivia zip you in?
Yes.
Oh.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Okay, I'm helping you. Say goodbye to the video camera.
Bye.
Bye.